Are stiff muscles, low energy, and digestive discomfort holding you back from living your best life? These could be signs your body is lacking magnesium, a vital mineral for over 300 biochemical reactions. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can cramp, your energy can crash, and your digestion may suffer. Worse, magnesium deficiencies are common, especially with today's modern diets. Are you getting enough? Meet Move from MaxHealth Nutraceuticals. This premium magnesium supplement is expertly formulated to support muscle relaxation, boost energy, and promote healthy digestion. It's magnesium made easy for your active life. Don't let magnesium deficiency slow you down. Reclaim your vitality with Move. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals to learn more and order your supply today. Make your move to better health.